Got some boxes coming in. You can tell I done turned the 4-wheel into a storage for now, but let's see what we got. See what we have. Still hummingbird sign. Got another box. And another hummingbird sign. So let's get one out the box and see what we got. So we still have an empty shop. But we'll have some new hummingbirds. Both of these are Explorers. Got some accessory stuff. A new Mega Live. It's one of my old Helixes. We're gonna run mapping and probably 360 off of it. Not even gonna run a transducer on that probably. And then over here, yep, the best lithium batteries it is. A lithium impulse lithium charger, battery, impulse lithium, platinum series. My boy Van has already got my mounts. It's here. We just don't have anything to mount them to yet. It's coming, I promise. Stay tuned.